guys, just want to make a quick video. If you guys are looking to do the Predator blower swap on your, actually I guess it doesn't even matter, 11 and up Mustang Coyote, or even an F-150 for that matter, but I'm going to say safely for a Mustang, I have my 11 and 14 alternator in my Gen 1 car, and after doing this whole blower swap, I've come to actually see that I get like random misfire codes, and I realized that after I put a tester on my battery to test the charging system, once I put a load on it, I go to realize that my battery's great, but the stock 2014 alternator right there, she ain't holding up. So what I wound up doing is, like, I reached out to VMP. I asked them like what they recommend if there's like a high output alternator, and one of the guys, Mike at VMP, highly recommended like some of the aftermarket units just don't hold up. So I actually went with Ford Performance. This is actually their 200 amp alternator kit, and I guess I'm doing that for extra precaution too, because I'm running the Department of Boost POWA pump, and I see that it runs great as is, but it's kind of crazy once, and I have like 13.9 14 volts reading on the dash info center, and whenever I put the AC on, that's when I notice that the charging system, of course, takes a hit, because now you're putting a higher load on the system. And I actually sometimes even get like a stall at a light when I normally never would with the AC off. So I wound up, of course, going with the Ford Performance kit, and here she is. It's actually a really beautiful unit. And what I especially like about this alternator, okay, not only is it 200 amps, it's actually the highest output that they make. Never know, I probably want to add like a set of fog lights up front to the front of the bumper, and who knows what else I want to add down the road. I mean, I don't see anything right now, but you really never know, right? This has a one-way clutch. So, of course, these engines spin clockwise, but if you turn it counterclockwise, the clutch engages, and you see, it stops spinning. So at high RPM, when you want to shift this thing out and you're really revving it out, it's so much less of a chance of any belt slip or the belt coming off. And of course, we love that. We don't want any problems while we're doing a good highway pull or something, right? So this is just my quick little update finding as I'm doing the work. I figured I would chime you guys into like things I'm learning as I'm going about doing my engine build here. So you guys have any questions, just let me know. Once again, that's the part number, Ford Performance M-8600-M50 ALTA is the Mustang 200 amp alternator kit. And what I really like about it too is, like, all right, look, you pay for what you get. This was a lot of money. Comes with all the hardware, comes with a brand new tensioner, which is actually a tighter tension than a stock tensioner, and it comes with a brand new Boss 302 pulley, idler pulley. So I really like the kit that Ford offers. Oh, and here's the good thing too. For you guys that happen to be running a 5.2 Predator balancer on your Coyote, guess what? The front of the 5.2 Predator balancer is the 4 rib to run the water pump and alternator. And what I actually found out was that the kit comes with the Boss 302 belt here, right? But it doesn't say the length of the belt, and gives me a part number, but I can't find the length anywhere. The good news is that for all you guys who are running the 5.2 Predator balancer, if you just run a Gates 4 rib belt, in fact, here's the part number, make all you guys happy. It's K040675, okay? Right there. If you run that belt, it's a hair longer in length than the Boss 302 belt, but it's a 4 rib, and it fits absolutely perfect. So I thought that was a good update for all you guys out there that are doing this conversion as well. There's no information on this anywhere. Like, this is a learn as you go process. So I figure if I'm going through the trouble, let me make someone's life easier and happier throughout this whole process. So that's my findings for today. I'm going to button this up, throw the new alternator down in there with the new tensioner, new idler pulley. I'm keeping my 4-rib belt and going to send it. So let me know what you guys think. You have any questions, comments, just let me know. I'm here to help you guys out, and enjoy your build. Have fun.